Alright guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to check the number of SIM cards that has been linked to your Ghana card. Alright, so before we start, if this is your first time visiting this channel, then please kindly subscribe to this channel for more educative videos on this channel. Don't also forget to turn on the notification button, because without the notification button, whenever we upload a new video, you will not be notified. So please kindly turn on the notification button, and don't also forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Now let's quickly continue with what we are here to do today. Now you need your Ghana card, you need your date of birth, and you need a good network before you can be able to check the number of SIM cards that has been linked to your Ghana card. Good. Now let's quickly locate our dial pad. So this is my dial pad. Sorry. This is my dial pad. So let me click on it to launch it. Good. So let's dial this code. We are going to use a particular code to check that: *402*1#. That is the code that we are going to use to check the number of SIM cards that has been linked to our Ghana card. So click on send. Click on send. Good. So there are two options here. The first one is check SIMs, and then the second one is cancel, because we want to know the number of SIM cards that has been linked to our Ghana card. We move straight forward to select option 1, and click on the send button. Good. So this is the next stage. So now we are going to enter our Ghana card personal ID number. So you quickly locate your Ghana card, and let me enter my Ghana card, and let's see the number of SIM cards that has been linked with my Ghana card. Please, there is an example here. Follow it and enter the Ghana card number as it is expected from you. Okay, so let me enter my Ghana card number here. Okay. Please don't make any mistake. Make sure that you enter the exact number, because after entering the number, you'll be verified in the system and you move to the next stage. Okay. Now click on the send button. So when you click on the send button, please make sure that you have a good network. If not, the process will be delaying. So make sure that you have a good network. Okay, so when you enter your Ghana card details correctly, this is the next stage that will appear. This is the next thing that we are going to do. So enter date of birth in the format below. So the day must come first, the month must follow, and then the last thing is the year. So let's say you were born in July 2023. So the day must come first. So maybe you were born on the 5th of July 2023. So the 5th must come first, the July must follow, and then the last one must be the 2023, which is the year. Okay, so let me enter the date of birth here and let's continue. So you are not going to give any space. You're not going to give any space. When you are done with that, you click on send. Okay, now, so when you are able to follow all this procedure, you are able to enter a Ghana card number correctly. If you are able to enter your date of birth correctly, a text message will be sent to you. So now, let's go to my message box here and let's open it to see. Okay, so at the top here, let's open it. Let's open that message. Good. So these are the numbers that has been linked to my Ghana card, and it is really true. It is true. So when the message comes into your inbox and you realize that there is a particular number there which was not linked to your Ghana card by yourself, then you have to visit the nearest MTN office. So guys, this is the short educative video that I want to introduce you to. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, kindly drop your comment in the comment section, hit on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so that the next time we upload a new video, you'll be notified so that you come and watch it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.